Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and what lock do we have here? Well, we've got an 8 out of 10 security rating. It says better weather resistance, best cut resistance. It's even got a tough under fire written here. Let's have a look along here. It's something lock. Oh, lifetime guarantee, hard and seal shackle. What could this be? It's it's a Kiko lock. How strange. Tough under fire, best cut resistance. Does that sound familiar? Well, it certainly did to me. That's why I had to buy it. I found it on eBay, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, I'm buying this lock because it reminds me so much of this packaging here. I mean, look at the best cut resistance. Got that, I guess, bolt cutters there. Let's slide them over each other to see how similar that is. The Kiko lock, Master Lock, Security XL, similar colours there. It's very, very, I mean, it's quite egregious, isn't it, when you think about it? I mean, even this security rating has a certain familiarity to it. And that tough under fire, I found a Master Lock 3, which I had, which says tough under fire on it, which I thought was a Master Lock trademark. It might not be, I don't know. I'm not into the whole legal side of things. This could be completely legitimate to do, but I have to say that, I mean, a cursory glance would lead you to believe that these were very similar packaging. And I just thought it was so fun to see two very similar packaging from two completely different companies. And yes, this is, I believe, this one is made in China, I think. Shunfa locks, I think. Anti-shim, best weather resistance, lifetime guarantee, yeah, all the right things. Oh, apparently Kiko lock is the #1 choice of professionals, would you believe? Okay, well, I didn't know that. To all you professionals out there, thank you for making Kiko lock your #1 choice. The world of locks thanks you. Right, let's see what this actually is. It looks just like a smiley dimple lock, so we'll try not to damage the packaging too much, because the whole point about this lock really is its packaging, because it's just such a funny thing to see. And you only get 4 sets of keys. We get, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin lock, it appears to be, and it is double ball bearing mechanism. I mean, I don't know how true this hardened seal shackle is, but it's probably not the absolute worst lock I've ever seen, to be honest. It's probably not very good, but it's not the worst. And it is chunky and very heavy. Probably weighs about a pound, just under half a kilo or so, I would say. But yeah, what a strange beast this is. Just, it's not like a little handbag lock, I think you'd call it. Maybe a mini D lock. But yeah, let me try and grab a vise and some picks, and we'll see if we can't pick this. So with these kind of locks, I like to use these Goso picks actually. I don't know if they're designed for smiley dimple locks, but they sure as heck seem to work if you give them enough sort of jiggling. The hard bit is to get some tension on. Oh wow, look at the slop on that keyway. That's pretty bad, isn't it? It's to get. So the hardest thing is to sort of get this in a position where you can pick it and give it a rake and a jiggle, and you're trying to lift it. Oh, there we go. I think straight away got it. Is that pull the shackle out? Yeah, we got it. So these locks are not made well at all. These smiley dimple locks, the tolerances are usually very poor, and this was just a simple, like, what, 6-tooth, 7-tooth rake, and yeah, just opened it up with a little bit of wriggling. The trick is to try to lift from the corner like this, using your thumb rather than turning the tension tool into the body of the core here, because it just traps it. You need to sort of be pushing, almost like pushing up like that, and then you should be able to get it quite easily. So yeah, not fantastic, I have to say. Because we've got time, I thought I'd try again with a different one from the same set of rakes. I'm just going to pop this in and lift again. See how I'm using my thumb as a fulcrum, and just Don't pull the tension tool out, but yeah, let's have a go with this. And got it. There we go. Oh, there we go. Got it round. So very easy. And yes, you can single pin pick these with a dimple flag, but really, what is the point? These are just such a low security lock that you might as well just jiggle them open with a couple of dimple lock rakes like I just did. It's just far simpler, and there's not much point in wasting time on such a cheap thing like this with anything sort of better better tool wise. All right, look, I hope you enjoyed that. I cannot believe that packaging. I hope you found it funny too. If you did, hit that like. If you think I deserve your subscription, then hit the subscribe and the notification bell. It really helps my channel out and I really appreciate it. If you have any comments about this lock, if you've seen anything as egregious as that packaging, let me know down below. I do read them all and reply to as many comments as I can, as hard as it can be to do so. All I can say is stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.